Alright, let's start with something small, like 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. But let's visualize that. Right now, we have 2 groups. 1, 2. And each of these groups is 3. So 3 times 2. There are 1, 2 groups. Group 1 and group 2. Okay? So, imagine if I looked at these individually. So let's look at group 1. Group 1 is literally 3 times 1. Let's change that color. 3 times 1. Let's change this color too. Okay, so 3 times 1. So notice that I broke 2 down into 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1. So what I need here is to separate. Separate. And again, I am adding these 2 together. Okay? So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So when I add it together, it equals 6. Okay, so let's try this with a bigger number. Let's do 12 times 4. Okay, so first you're going to ask yourself, how many groups are there? There's 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many numbers are in each group is 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay? So first I'm going to show you what we're going to do is multiply it out. So 4 times 2. Let's try a different color. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then a different color. 4 times 1 is 4. So I know my answer is 48. Now, let's try if I were to separate this one out. This is literally taking 1, 2 groups, 1, 2 groups, right? So something times 2 groups, something times 2 groups. What are we multiplying by the groups? How many are in each group? It's 12. 12. So I have broken 4 down into 2 and 2. Because 2 plus 2 is 4. Right? So this plus this equals 12 times 4 groups instead of 2 and 2. So 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 2 is 24. So 24 plus 24 equals 48.